So, to bind off, this is the simplest and nicest way I have found to do so. So you're going to knit 2 stitches together very softly, or with a larger needle, one side larger. But if you do it softly, that's enough. So knit 2 together, knit 2 more together, and pass the first one over. Knit 2 together, and pass that one over. Knit 2 together, and pass the first one over. Knit 2 together, and pass that one over. Knit 2 together, pass that one over. Knit 2 together, pass that one over, and knit 2 together, pass that one over. Now we do have a video on how to bind off when you want, for example, this could be a glass case, a eyeglass case, in which you need this top part to be open. So we have a video on that. Otherwise, this is very nice finish. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe. And I will see you next time.